All right, so let's rewind for a sec. I'm Noah, and if you had told me a few years ago that I'd actually be building one of the world's first AI agents as a service, I probably would have laughed. And I started off like most builders, obsessed with solving problems, with creating things that moved the needle for people. And before AssignX, I'd already spent nearly a decade in the product and software space. I built for others. I helped founders bring their ideas to life. But deep down, I knew I was building everyone else's dream, except my own. So early 2024, I built AgentX. And the idea was simple. What if we could give small businesses their own sales rep? And a rep that never sleeps, never burns out, and performs just like another human. Version 1 was raw, and it was scrappy, but it worked. We sold it to hundreds of agents, marketers, and entrepreneurs who wanted to automate their sales and close more deals. And then something happened. We realized that this wasn't just a product, it was a movement. People weren't just using AgentX, they were building their businesses on top of it. And that's when it hit me. This isn't about selling an AI rep. It's about giving people the infrastructure to build their own AI company. That's when AssignX was born. After months of planning, whiteboards full of scribbles, countless sleepless nights, testing, rebuilding, refining, trial after trial until we knew this was going to be the one. AssignX wasn't just an update, it was the evolution. And look, 745 customers in 5 to 6 months ramped on our stack. That's real operators shipping real agents. 93.2 million. That's the deals secured across the client's pipeline since launch. That's tracked, attributed, and growing. It became a full AI operating system where you can launch your own AI agents, set your own pricing, manage sub-accounts, run voice calls, SMS, email, CRM automation, all under your brand. We rolled out a massive update. AI that not only sounds human, but actually performs like one. All credit-based billing systems that handles phone numbers, minutes, emails, texts, and seats automatically. It's a white-labeled SaaS. It gives you the control so agencies could build their own platform, not just ours. And a visual agent builder that made launching your first AI agents as easy as drag and drop. And it wasn't easy, but once it clicked, it clicked. And let's be real, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Every single month came with a new bottleneck. Our funnels broke. Our webinars had insane sign-up numbers, but low show-up rates. Ads tanked, tracking failed, and tech bugs hit right before demos. And yes, we were questioning everything, but every breakdown gave us data, and every bit of data helped us refine the system. So we made mistakes, a ton of them, some costly and some just straight out humiliating. But that's how we grew. We built on transparency. And that's why, as you go through this journey, you'll see it all. The wins, the fails, the late night chaos, and everything we learned the hard way, so you don't have to. And that's what we call chaos mode. The phase where everything feels like it's burning down, but you keep building anyway. And through that chaos, people showed up. Brilliant minds, the builders, designers, engineers, operators, people who believed in the mission when it was nothing but sketches and sleepless nights. From just me coding out in a cafe in Tulum to a global team operating across 3 different time zones, building one of the most advanced AI SaaS infrastructures on the planet. And now, here we are. The agency model is officially live. This is the moment everything's been building towards, where you don't just use AssignX, you own your slice of it. You can launch your own AI agency, serve your clients across industries, and start generating real cash flow by deploying AI agents as a service. This is our biggest move yet, because it's not just about us anymore. It's about you. You're part of the family now, and you're part of the mission. You're part of the future we're building together. I'll see you on the inside. So yeah, that's the journey. From AgentX to AssignX, from chaos to clarity, from idea to impact. Welcome to the revolution. Welcome to AssignX.
See the man who almost died.